Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is question number 3 of exercise 3.6. First of all, we let this value of the question equal to x. So x is equals to this value. Now as we have to solve the question by using the logarithm, so we will take logarithm on both sides. So it is equals to log of x is equals to log of 784.6 multiplied by 0.0431 divided by 28.23. Now, if we look at the question, there are two values in the numerator which are being multiplied and one value in the denominator which is being divided. So we can use two laws of logarithm, that is log of mn is equals to log of m plus log of n, and log of m by n is equals to log of m minus log of n. For the first two value, we use the first log and it becomes log of 784.6 plus log of 0.0431, and the third value will use minus log of 28.3. Now for all these values we have to find the logarithms. For the log of any value we have to find the characteristic as well as the value of the mantissa. For the characteristic we have to write the values in the scientific notation. So roughly I have written the values in the scientific notation. It becomes 7.84 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2, 4.31 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2, and 2.823 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1. Now characteristic for the first case is 2, for the second case minus 2, and for the third case it is 1. For the value of the mantissa we will use the logarithm table, and for the first value we will check the value of 78 under the column of 4, and then value of 78 under the difference column of 6, and we get 8943 plus 3, which is 0.8946 in the end. For the second value we get from the log table 6345, and for the third value we get 0.4507. Now we write these values as the logarithmic values, that is log of x is equals to 2.8946 plus minus 2.6345 minus 1.4507. Now in these values, this the central value, this has a negative characteristic. In one of the previous lectures I have told you that whenever there is a negative characteristic we will split up the value and solve it, and after solving it we will use it in the next step. So we split it up, 2.8946 minus 2 plus 0.6345 minus 1.4507. So log of x is equals to 2.8946. After solving this we get minus 1.3655 and minus 1.4507. Now this becomes 2.8946 minus 1.3655 minus 1.4507. When we solve all these three values we get 0.0784. This is the value of log of x. As we have to find the value of x, so for removing this log we will take anti-log on both sides. So it becomes anti-log of log of x and anti-log of 0.0784. Anti-log and log are cancelled out, and x is equals to anti-logarithm of 0.0784. Now for the anti-logarithm we check the value 0.07 under the column of 8 in the anti-logarithm pages, and again in the difference column 0.07 in the difference column under the value of 4 we get 1197 plus 1, which gives us 1198. Now we write it that decimal point is just after the first non-zero digit, 1.198. so we will move the decimal point now according to the value of the characteristic. As the characteristic is equals to 0, so we need not to move the decimal point. So our value is equals to 1.198, which is the value of x. And this is the solution for question number 1, part 3.